Classic. So I always forget that Snow Peak puts the boxes inside of more boxes. So one more box to go. This colorway here looks absolutely fantastic in my opinion. I think that dark green here with the gray legs, I wasn't sure on the legs. See, I wasn't sure if these were gonna be black or gray. It was really hard to tell from the pictures. Even the shade of green was kind of hard to tell what it would actually look like in person. And I think everything looks perfect. When I got this, actually, I was picturing this with the Campfield Futon. So, you know, I always have dreamed of if I ever got like a small little, like kind of Jabaco sized vacation home somewhere on a nice piece of land. If I set up a living room, you know, I would have that Campfield Futon, and I was picturing 2 of these green chairs with it. I have the IGT Slim in the middle. Be a perfect living room setup. I kind of want to try it out here in the studio, all comboed together. So let's see how that looks. Yeah, I love how this whole living center comes together. Love the color combo. This green looks fantastic, and I think it just accents any of the other furniture just really well. What do you guys think of this living setup? Do you think it looks cool together? I'm really liking it. You know, I got so excited by the chairs, I forgot that I had one more thing that I ordered. So let's check this out. So these weren't part of the festival items, but I got a couple other things too. I got the stacking mug set, which I've been wanting these ever since they came out, and I didn't realize they each came with their own like little mesh bag, which is actually kind of cool, but these all kind of stack together, which is nice and should nest. So what I'm thinking would be cool for this one also is just like brewing coffee in this bigger one. So this is like a 16-ounce one right here. And then we have 2 of these smaller mugs that we can just kind of like split the coffee up into. One of us is gonna get shortchanged. These are cool. I like the size of these. I actually like this really small one. We don't drink a ton of coffee when we go out. We usually just drink like an 8-ounce cup each. So that's typically the size we do. So this is actually gonna work perfect because this bigger one is like 16 ounces on its own. So I can just brew directly into that and then we can just split it. So it's pretty cool how compact this all comes down into. And I actually like that they each have their own little sleeve bag too. That was kind of a surprise. The other thing I got that's been long overdue is the coal bed here for my fireplace. And I've been meaning to get this thing for pretty much since I got it. And it's just been one of those things that I put off, but this fall, I wanna do more grilling. So should put this thing to use. And the last thing I got, which is probably the least exciting, is a footprint for my Lago one. I forgot to get one of these with that, and yeah, I might take this out and do a little bit of solo camping trips with that tent. So footprint, good idea in the fall especially. So yeah, that's pretty much everything I picked up for this haul, and pretty much only the luxury chairs were part of the festival items. I missed out on getting those stacking shelves. Those sold out like, I want to say within like a day or so. Like they were super quick. I thought about it overnight because I wasn't sure if I wanted to go with those luxury low chairs or not. And yeah, by the time I was ready to hit order, boom, stacking shelf lids gone. So if you got one of those, that's awesome. Those look like they're gonna be really useful. Can't wait to test all this stuff out. We're gonna be heading out on a camping trip this weekend. So yeah, we'll catch you guys all real soon in the next one. Take it easy.